Ladies and gents, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing this Nexgen Nexgen. Apparently it's a ceramic spray, premium ceramic spray. We're going to follow the directions today. We're going to apply it to the C63 AMG, but first we're taking the vinyl wrapping off because we have some livery kit from the RK Rally that we still need to take off. Carson just did that all in one swoop. That was impressive. We also have a 993 911 Target. Also, I hope there's no wind noise. There definitely is. We're gonna pull Carson's car in and then take this off, which is gonna be a little more difficult. So we got some isopropyl alcohol, some microfibers. We're gonna get going to work on that. And then, yeah, this stuff. Gonna be doing an installation and review. Side, we'll take care of that. So these actually came off not too bad. Wiped it down with some isopropyl alcohol, 70%, but I think we're gonna have to paint correct it just because it did leave a few scratches. Backside a little bit more so in the light so you can see. A little bit. So we just hit the places with the polisher. Still a couple little things here and there left over from the residue, but overall, we've cleaned it up quite nicely and we're prepped completely for, where is it? Right over here. The Nexgen ceramic spray. Apparently this is a pretty easy application, so we're gonna do like a review of the ease of application. We're gonna need to do a review of the shine. So what we're gonna do, what's up, there's me, do a full install of the Nexgen on the paint all the way around the car. We're gonna see exactly what happens in terms of shininess and then hit it with some water to see the beading and what this ceramic spray actually does, because there's a lot of alternatives. As you can tell, we are in the Ceramic Pro certified installer M22 detailing, and they're pretty popular for their ceramic coating install, which is through Ceramic Pro. So this is a competitor, Nexgen. Carson, you said this was $20 for a bottle?
$34 normally.
$34 normally, so it's always discounted apparently. If you want some of this stuff, link will be in the description. We're gonna try it out. So we need to put this away first. Second, put it on. So we have switched to the wide angle so we can see everything that we're doing. Steps are pretty simple. It's just shake well, ensure the surface is clean before applying, lightly mist the ceramic spray onto individual body panels of the car and use a clean microfiber towel to rub the spray in. Some haziness may occur. Flip towel over and lightly polish to a high gloss. So that's really it. All we're doing is spraying on, wiping in, flipping the towel, and then buffing off. It doesn't say to wait. And then if there's haziness, redo it. Okay, so sounds easy. We're just gonna get started. It comes with this little spray bottle thingy. Obviously you have to take it off, so I'm gonna have my assistant do that. Just shove it all the way down in there. homeboy is just finishing up on the front panel here. This stuff is sick. Honestly, like, pretty decent shine. Good shine. Super easy application. The whole thing took about 15 minutes. We're gonna take it out in the sunlight. It's a nice cloudy day, so you can really see everything. I'm excited to get this thing outside and see if we missed any spots that we need to buff off. But overall, so far, super easy install. Took about a quarter of the time as the Mother's CMX ceramic spray did. All right, little water test. Let's check out this beading.
Not terrible.
Not terrible.
Could be better.
Could be better.
It runs off pretty well, but is it good enough to do a? I don't think it's good enough to do a spot treatment.
Yeah, I don't know, man.
Not super impressed. That's pretty good.
The Mother's CMX ceramic certainly had more beading.
Not super duper impressed.
Don't love it. You coated the headlights. Well, I coated this headlight. Get that. I mean, that's good. Try it on the glass, maybe. Without soaking your entire car. It's running off all right. Not the worst thing ever.
Could definitely be better.
Definitely could be better. Ease of application, 9 out of 10. Water beading, say probably 6 out of 10. Honestly, not super impressed. Could be better. For $30 a bottle. I don't know, guys. What do you think? I don't know here. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not great, but it's not terrible, but it's not good. Overall, Carson, what do you say? I think the shine makes up for it.
Shine is really nice.
Shine is really, really good here. We're in 100% natural lighting. I say shine is also a 9 out of 10. Ladies and gentlemen, like I said, if you do want a link for the Nexgen ceramic spray, it will be in the description. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new, hit subscribe. We just hit 1,200 subscribers. Thank you so much. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike if you didn't. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.